These words were said to the media by one of your coaches before. He's too small, he's too weak, he's too slow, he can't handle the ball well. Tab Baldwin.
I remember those words.
Tab Baldwin. He told you those words directly? In practice, out of practice? Take me through that day.
Actually, I'm not sure specifically what happened or why he decided to tell me, but he came up to me and he told me those words. And ako, instead of feeling hurt or it putting me down, I took it as a challenge.
Right.
And actually, I'm very thankful na he told me that. Kasi there are some coaches who won't tell you like what they really see in you. Na mga kulang mo. Yeah, they'll tell you na parang, one day when it's your time, ganyan, you just have to be patient. Ganyan. Personally, I don't like that.
We call it bullshit.
Yes, I hate bullshit.
Yeah, exactly.
I hate it. Kahit na like masakit.
Brutal.
Yeah, I want the
give it to me.
Yeah.
Keep it 100.
Tell me, I can take it.
Exactly.
Kahit na gaano kasakit. So, sobrang na-appreciate ko si Coach Tab because he told me that na parang, ito yung mga kulang mo. Okay, thank you. I'll work on it.